Right, everybody. Good morning. So, this is the long session, and we are here again to make it happen. We are here again to make it happen. So we're gonna go like as we normally would go. We're gonna start with the outlook for the day. So this will be also this will actually be quick analysis today. We're just gonna run through the analysis quite quickly. Then we'll also take a look at the news that we might potentially be having, today. So if there are any news that we are actually having, we are going to be taking a look at it. Okay, let's see. A minute. Okay, yeah, we have that was result. Okay, so basically today we are going to be checking out on not just the analysis, we'll also take a look at the news that we are having today. So today at 2:30, that's the first thing. We are in Nigerian time. We are having the retail data coming out, the core retail sales data coming out. So potentially, this can actually be, a good macro to watch out for in the market today. And with that out of the way, let's take a look at NASDAQ, where we are in respect to yesterday. Oh, okay. Looking at what NASDAQ is doing right now, from where we were yesterday, NASDAQ was buying, slowly into the previous day high and into one of the levels that we are alighted out yesterday. So nothing much has actually happened yesterday. NASDAQ really didn't move that much yesterday. I think from where we were at New York session yesterday, it's done about 250 points, and honestly not a bad one if you actually took the trade. But now looking at what has happened, now there has been a break, right? But we have not really broken out of the minor resistance level. What we did yesterday was that NASDAQ broke a structure formation. For example, you see how NASDAQ was, trading downward here, then broke it. You see, it broke it right now, but there's still some kind of resistance over here. So what we need to see right now is either NASDAQ is gonna come back here like this and go up, or it's just gonna go all the way down, tap into the demand zone, and then tap up. So what we're gonna do today right now is let's get started now. We are going to take this on out. We're gonna turn on our session break, figure out our yesterday highest trading point. Where is the highest point in the market yesterday? So we're gonna draw our previous day high and previous day low. So from what I can see, this level is the previous day high. Let me just mark it out. Yeah, this level. This is the previous day high. That's the highest point that price was yesterday. And so we're also going to identify the previous day low. So the previous day low, obviously I can already see it, is right here. This is the level that is the lowest point that price got to yesterday. All right, let me just highlight that for you. So this is the lowest point that price was at yesterday. This level right here, that's the lowest point that price was yesterday. So now I took the high, I mark it with my day high, is actually inside our 1 hour resistance level. So, and as of right now, the resistance level seems to be holding. So the next thing we want to turn on right now is that we want to turn on the Asian range. We need to see what is the Asian range looking like for today. And the Asian range right now, we can already see that we're still inside the Asian range. So we need to see a breakout of the Asian range. And there's two things that I'm interested in right now. I think on 15 minutes, now I have a level over here, a 15-minute level over here. The reason why is because from this 15-minute level, I'm going to call it the demand level, price broke a structure. You see, from this place, price went up, broke this particular level, at least reaching, to this side. It broke it by a few points, but at least it broke. A break is a break. So, and with every break, there's usually a retest. So Now, I'm expecting that before I can go on to buy NASDAQ today, there should be a retest at least into this level here or maybe even further down, right? But then at least we should see a retest in this demand level, the immediate demand level on the 15 minutes. And then when we see it there, then on 1 minute, we can look for maybe like another structure shift to tell us that, okay, this thing might be going bullish, right? So, and we're going to do that as well. So the expectation today is if we're going to buy NASDAQ, there are two areas to buy NASDAQ from. Area number one is this level, and area number two is this demand level right here that is down there. So it's either we're buying, NASDAQ from either of these on either here or here. Two levels that we can actually buy NASDAQ from us, in the what is currently doing. All right. So I think with that said, what we just need to watch out for right now is what price is going to do. Nothing else has actually changed in terms of formation, but where Nasdaq is going is very sure. It is going to the top here. It's going to, it's going to take out this eye that we have over here. So it's going to take it out, and when it takes it out, and even potentially create a new all-time high altogether. That is in expectation actually. But first we need to break out from this minor resistance, break out of the previous day high, and then let's see what Nasdaq's gonna do from there. All right, I think that's gonna be the end of the outlook for this morning. Pretty straightforward, and we are going to be trading in New York session. So we'll take a leave now. But if you have any question, as usual, please drop it in the comment section or on the Telegram channel. You can click the link to join our Telegram channel in the description, and then we are going to be, attending to each other.